Lucy.
Hi, I'm Olivia.
Today we are learning to draw something super cute and fun.
We're going to be drawing some bunnies inside of a big egg.
Yes. Are you ready?
Let's begin, guys. I'm ready.
We are preparing marker. Okay. So the first one, we draw the half a cracked egg below. Slow down. Connect. Okay. Okay, then do the top part, right? Okay. Now we start to draw a cutie bunny in the egg. The first row I draw ones in the right and the left side. Okay, I draw the oval shape. Okay. And draw the bunny's eyes here. Two circle. And leave the two little circle in the eyes. And then the coloring the eyes. she looked easy, right? Is a girl or a boy? Okay, now we draw the bunny's nose like this. Okay. Maybe just ooh. Okay, and now I draw the bunny's hand, maybe here, okay? And this one maybe here, okay? So the bunny's body is here, okay? And then I draw a belly.
I don't have enough space for belly.
It's fine, that's okay. And now we draw another one, another one's butt. Right,
Butt.
right here, right? Right. You try to climb, right? Okay, so here is the little feet. And okay. Maybe like this. And here I draw the bunny tail. Okay. And now I add another one on the top, okay? I'm gonna add in the middle a little bit. You could, yeah. I draw this one, so look at this. So this one. Okay. Okay, like this one. Smile. And now I draw this one's ears. So, cause this has on the top, so I'm gonna put two ears. Just put it this way, okay? So this one probably here. A little bit cover, right? Like here, okay? Like this, okay? Another one. Right here. Right here. That's cute. Yeah, another one. You could put it this way. Because here is pretty empty, right? So you put another one there. Okay. And now I draw this one's ear. I'm gonna draw a bow decoration on the head. first. So I'm gonna put, okay, the big bow in the middle. Okay, like this. So the ear, I'm gonna go this way. One. Another one, probably a little bit hanging down. Okay. Like this, right? Okay. So now, yeah, put other hands here. Okay. Here, if we could see a little bit belly. So this one is a little bit hard, right? Okay. Let's just start the coloring. We're done.
Yeah, guys, it looks so funny. Look, and he's like, ew, and he's like, ha.
Yours is like a funny story, right? And mine is very cute to look at you, right? Ooh, this one is... Thank you guys for watching.
Subscribe if you like this video. Comment down below what you should draw next. Bye, guys. See you next time. Give a thumbs up.
Bye-bye.